Now we're going to prepare our bake pan. What we do is we take some wax paper in our hand, fold it around our fingers, and with some softened butter, we're going to spread it on the pan, on the bottom, and the sides. Be sure and get the corners. And this is so that the cake won't stick to the bottom and burn. Get all the sides and corners. Now I'm going to sprinkle some flour in, and this coats the butter so that it doesn't melt into the cake. We're going to smack it around. We want to get it on the sides too. So I start with the longer sides first, and I just kind of work my way around. All the way around. Now I've made it all the way around, but I have excess flour in there that I don't want. So I'm going to take it and wrap it against the sink. And there we have it. Our pan is prepared.